Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 1099K reconciliation with QuickBooks Online step by step clearly. To begin configuring 1099K reconciliation in QuickBooks Online, first, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Transactions tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the Banking option to access your bank accounts. Select the bank account associated with the 1099K transactions you wish to reconcile. Once your bank account is open, review the transactions listed. Look for any payments received from third-party payment networks. Make sure to categorize these transactions appropriately. Next, go to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type 1099 Summary to locate the relevant report. Select the 1099 Summary report from the search results. This report provides a summary of all transactions eligible for 1099 filing. Check to see if the amounts listed match your 1099K information. If discrepancies exist, return to the Transactions tab. Edit or modify any transactions to correctly reflect the amounts. Revisit the 1099 Summary report to confirm the updated figures. Once everything matches, navigate to the Taxes menu on the left. Select 1099 from the drop-down options. Click on the Prepare 1099s button to initiate the filing process. Follow the prompts to ensure all information is accurately filled in. After reviewing the data, proceed to file your 1099 forms as required. Keep a copy of the filed statements for your records. Finally, monitor any future transactions to ensure ongoing accuracy and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.